I'll have some of them. Whoa.
Oh yeah, you alright, mate?
Oh, you
Do you
alright?
want a bike check, do you?
Go on then, son.
Son.
Let's go.
Follow me, mate. Show you some of the steez. The steez that you need.
Alright, let's
Between
go.
your needs.
We're gonna check your bike.
Yeah, let's check it then.
Yeah, we're gonna check it.
We're gonna check it.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's check it then, son.
Yeah.
I've got the all black steez. With the matte edition, everything. I just stuck Odyssey stickers on stuff.
Yeah.
And fly to make it look good. Everything, mate.
What's on there then?
Got all black, son. Everything's mine. All of it.
What bars are these?
Mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I stuck an Odyssey sticker on there.
Oh yeah.
I think they made them for me as well.
What forks are they?
Odyssey ones.
Nice.
They're nice, aren't they?
Cheers.
Check them out.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice, they are.
It's got the stand with a power stance on it as well, bro.
Yeah, that is a sweet stance. What tyres are they?
Odyssey, bro. But
No, they're mine.
Yeah, they're mine, but Odyssey, I think they
Where'd you get them?
Austin, Texas.
Nah.
My
Where'd you
house.
get them?
My house.
It looks like they've been hooked up by someone.
You, I suppose. The juice machine. Look how G it is. Don't touch
So
my
G.
boat. Yeah, I've got these 8 balls.
You still got Bart Simpson in there?
Yeah, of course, I've always got Bart Simpson.
Where are he at?
He's in here, son.
Jeez. There he is, look.
Mate, he's been in there for years.
Fucking
He's always in there fucking about.
low key, mate.
Bart Simpsoni.
What's in here then?
Oil, blood, bits
Dick.
of dead animals and that. And ploughing through the woods.
Yeah.
Mac 10. Want to see me ride it? That's that, mate.
Yeah?
Let's take the wide-legged approach here.
Wide leg.
So small, son. So small. What I'm saying. Do you want to have a go on the beast? Nah, of course you don't, mate.
Alright, see you later.
See you later, mate.
I'll just go home.
How? Do that again.